not what I wanted, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna get some iron because that's always important. 10 of them because 10 is a lucky number for me, I guess. Okay, we got 32 blocks. Let's cover our bed up. Okay. Let's go check out King the Dragon video. He made a video when he playing hide and seek. Go check that video out. I think it's like really fun. I'm just watching them. I just watching King the Dragon doing what he's doing, I guess. Red is coming already? Whoa, these people are nuts. Nuts. You know. He have the pets. What the heck? I never seen somebody so powerful before though. They're gonna get out bed. Oh, come on, no. Bye! Oh no, they pushed me. Oh man, come on. Let's do the next round. What happened? Okay, next round. I never seen somebody so like good before. What the heck? Okay. Again, going back. Wait, what the heck? Go now. What the heck is happening? I don't even know what's happening right now. Okay. Backwards. Why am I back to the library? Lobby, sorry. I need to play backwards. No, come on. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at this big Santa. This looks so cool. Look at this big Santa. No. Okay, I guess you gotta follow the arrow. Okay, set. X. Wow, white fish. Oh no, guys, I'm so sorry for that. It's just a notification. Pickaxe. Ooh. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna play. Come on. Just play. One time. Continue. Boom. Bam. Okay, just gonna follow the arrow and just do what he said. Okay, now how do I get into a game? Yes. Start game now, please. Let's go. Guys, if you guys want more Eli the Elephant video, comment down below because I really like this game right now. It's my favorite map. It's my favorite map. Oh my god. Yay, it's my favorite map. I'm playing. Oh. Okay, game started. Yellow, yes! I'm in my favorite color team. Yes! Yeah. Yay, okay. Okay. Let's do some work done. Okay, we got some wool. Let's cover this up. Just in case later someone wants to break it. Done. I'm good at this. Thank you. I need, is this better than the normal Zora? I think so. I don't know, maybe yes or maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna buy some more wool. There you go. What are you doing? Should we go that way or that way? What the? What you place this here for? What the? Oh my gosh, I almost jumped off the ledge. A little. Okay, building a bridge. I'm not really good at building bridge, but oh my god. I think it's red team have water. Okay. What the heck? It's just switch spots. Spots. I cannot speak today, guys. Someone just fell and died. Great. I'm almost there. No, I'm not. Why no people is going to the middle? Only me. What? I thought the middle is supposed to be where people go fight. Not to the home base. Yes, there you go. Boom. I'm done. Let's go get the emeralds. I'm gonna get the best. Haha. Suck on your foot. Yay! I got emeralds. I need diamonds or now. Where's the other one? It's like all the way up there, guys. Jump. There we go. Boom. Yay. We got 6. Should we focus on protection first, or should we focus on the Zora first? Let's go focus on the protection. Because protection always protects you. Yes. Red team is going to our base. Fuck. Okay, whatever. Let's just go with the Zora first. Ouch. Okay. Go. We don't need to be loose. Come on. Come on, help me. Oh, shoot. Okay, I need to go buy some dinosaur. Go. Dinosaur. Yes. Come down here, you stupid. Okay. That's a good way to No! Get out! I push it. Is he dead? Yes, he's dead. Okay. I'm gonna buy more red team. Oh my gosh. I'm so scared right now. You don't know how scared I am. What the? I'm so annoyed right now. I don't like this guy. There you go. Go away. Can take his stuff though. I don't want that Zora. I already have a better Zora. I'm gonna take some blocks because that's what we do. Take blocks. Okay, that's enough blocks. You do that. I don't know. Guys, ignore the background sounds because there's a lot of people fighting. Oh my gosh. Ruby's house is crazy. There's a lot of people fighting. Get away. Get away. Get away. Shoot. Get away. What? He's laughing at me. Like, serious. The heck is going on with him? Yes, I killed him. He was laughing at me. Now who's laughing now? You dead. Haha. Who's laughing now? Idiot. Punk. I'm gonna get the diamond first. Yay! Get the diamond. Who's laughing now? Okay. I was just checking if there's like a red team somewhere. Because they are on our tail right now. Like seriously. They are on our tail. I'm gonna try to upgrade my door. And people's door, I don't know. To get sharpness. Oh, we need 6 diamonds. 6 diamonds. Okay. Oh, we can get armor. And then, boom, armor. I need golden. Wait. I can buy a bow and then a lot of arrows. Okay. I'm making progress. You see, I'm making progress. Yes. Oh man, I need more gold to get some golden apples. Oh no! Fook! Red team. Where did I get these so many like ladders? I don't know where did I get these so many ladders, but it's weird. I guess. Let's just put ladder all the way to here because it will be annoying to blow it up. There you go. I don't know how is that gonna help, but whatever. I don't care. I don't want that ladder anyway. Let me get more diamonds. Oh my god, there's a person over there. Get out, get out, get out. You know that I have more. Yeah, you're done. Goodbye. My Zor is too OP. Oh, I almost jumped out. Gosh. There's a red team over there. I see him. It's red team. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade our Zor. Boom! Upgrades! Yes! Yes! Okay. More golden apple because we need it. Apple. Sharpness 1. Okay, sharpness 1 on my Zor. Why is this block here? Oh no, blue wiped out, which is that means that blue lost. Bye bye blue. Red only have 2 peoples. Okay. I need a diamond armor. That's what I need. Nobody get that? Okay. Okay, 9 is enough. 9 armors is enough for a full set armor. Well, it's not a full set of armor. It's just like a short leggings, shoes, and the chest. What the heck are you doing? My team is very weird, guys. My team is very weird. As you guys can hear, there's a bird sound behind me. I don't know what's going on with the bird, but you do you, man, bird. You do you. I got sharpness 1. Should we upgrade more of our stuff? Yeah, we should. Sharpness level 2. Protection. Ooh, we can go protection. Yeah. Let's go for armor, boom, boom, and kaboom. Oh, I just need 8 of them. Whatever. Still counts. Now let's get those 5 diamonds because we need some protection. I thought I saw someone in our roof, but there's no people there. Weird. But okay. I'm gonna make this bridge safe real quick. Because I don't want to fall. You know? I don't want to fall. Okay, give me that. Okay, maybe you're just gonna fall down. Okay, let's go get this diamond. We need 5 of them. Okay, that will work. Where's that green? No, it's yellow. Okay. It looks like green for some reason. I mean, yeah, yellow and green is kind of the same, but there you go, protection. Why is this guy laughing? He's so stupid. Okay, let's get fireball and this thing, so that it can protect us when we fall. Okay, I'm not weird. I'm just getting those to protect myself. Okay. Okay, let's destroy someone. I'm gonna go to blue base. Let's go to blue base, guys. Because there's like blue is gone now, so. Oh my god, what is wrong with the green team? Like, the green team is going hell. Like, green team is like going so stupid. His bridge, look at his bridge, look at this. What the heck is this? There's a green team over there. Should we, guys? Yeah, we should. Why am I telling you guys? You guys are literally watching me. Okay. Come on, let's do this. Come on. I cannot hit him. I cannot hit him well, I cannot hit him because he's behind the block. Boom. He's AFK. I think he's AFK. Boy, what are you doing, AFK? Boy, you stupid. I think he's stupid. He doesn't even look at me. So that means he's AFK. You think nobody will go here, bro? Oh my god, this guy is so stupid. Like seriously? He's dumber than I thought, guys. I mean, some of my friends is dumber too. Let's just kill him. Bye. What? That can only destroy by 2s? Who said that? Oh my gosh. Who said that? Like, should we get more arrows? How many arrows do we have? 30. Okay, let's just get more arrows, I guess. There you go. I need fireball in my inventory. Get more fireball. Because fireball is all I need. Well, not all of them. So, thank you. Okay. I just made this path for nothing. I almost jumped off the ledge. Oh my gosh. How long are we gonna win? Like, when is this going to end? Like, when are we gonna win? Okay, I know you guys are saying to destroy someone or something, but like, seriously, I cannot destroy it by myself. Ouch. Goodbye. I'm a pro. Okay, let's get more of these. And we will go hit on people. Okay? Let's go! Let's go get red team first. Because red team is like always on our tail. Like, seriously. Okay, let's go. Okay, not yet. Or you can just place a block, you don't need to do that. Let me get this diamond just in case. Whoa. Destroy red bed. Oh, it's have water. Oh, clever. Water. Fuck. Oh, I'm so sorry to swear, you guys. I'm really sorry to swear. Get out. Yeah, bye, poop. Poop. I kill like everybody. Like insane. Need to cover the water quick. Kill him! Okay. We kill him, guys. We kill him. I'm on my stuff. Okay, I'm going like crazy right now. Okay, I'm coming. Destroy red bed. Get out of here. Okay. See you later. Oh no, guys, I die. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that bell so you never miss any of my videos, any of Ruby's videos. And I'll see you guys